Ano ang sensation at ano ang perception? Anong pinagkaiba ng dalawa? Anong importansya nito? At ano ang illusion? Pag-usapan natin yan ngayong video na ito. What's going on, Reapers? Welcome back to the 12th episode of Introduction in Psychology. My name is Dat Nigel and I am a third year BA Psychology student. So from the last video, we are done talking about John Piaget's cognitive development. Ngayon, let's move on to another topic which is about sensation and perception. Ano nga bang pinagkaiba ng dalawa na ito? Maraming taong nalilito kung anong pinagkaiba ng dalawa na ito. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin siya. But first, let's start sa definition ng sensation. So ang sensation, ito yung pag na-detect ng physical stimuli mula sa ating paligid, that is sensation. Parang signal lang na dumarating sa ating sensory organs. Halimbawa, kapag may ilaw, nakakita ang mata ng light. Kapag may tunog, nadedetect ng tenga ang sound waves. At kapag humawak tayo ng mainit na tasa, ramdam natin ang init sa balat. Importanteng tandaan na ang sensation is about receiving information. Hindi pa ito interpretation. This is raw data pa lang. The next one naman is perception. Ano ang perception? Well, ngayon, ang perception naman ay ang pagbibigay ng meaning sa mga sensation na nare-receive natin. For example, may nakita kang light. That is your sensation. Your eye is receiving that light waves. The interpretation of it is, kunyari, yung light na yun is, yung interpretation ng utak mo is nanggagaling yun sa sun. That is your perception. That light is coming from the sun. So that is your perception. Ang perception happens sa brain. Kaya kahit na parehas ang nakita o narinig natin, pwedeng magkaiba ang interpretation ng bawat tao. For example, kunyari, meron kayong nakikitang painting. Tas yung painting na yon is in your interpretation, that is all about depression. Meanwhile naman sa kaibigan mo, ang interpretation niya is loneliness. So, same lang kayo ng image ng nakikita, pero iba ang interpretation nyo. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is sensation and perception. So, always remember, the difference between sensation and perception is ang sensation detects the stimuli, it happens in your sensory organs, at raw data ang nakukuha niya. Meanwhile naman, ang perception, it interprets the stimuli that your sensation is getting. It happens in the brain at it is a meaningful experience. Hindi na siya raw data kasi nga, na-interpret na siya ng ng brain mo. So kung walang perception, para lang wala, na-detect mo lang siya but you don't really know the meaning. So very important ang perception. So it takes two to tango yan silang dalawa. Important ang sensation, important ang perception. So ano ang illusion? Well, ladies and gentlemen, ang illusion po is kapag nagkamali ang brain ng interpretation ng sensory input. Hindi mali ang mata, mali ang brain interpretation. So to better understand this is we have three famous illusion example. And these are, the first one is we have the Mueller-Lyer illusion, the spinning dancer illusion, and the dress illusion. So ano yung mga ito? Isa-isay natin. The first one is we have the Mueller-Lyer illusion which shows na parang mas mahaba yung isang linya. Pero in reality, same lang sila ng length. So that is the Mueller-Lyer illusion. The second one naman is the spinning dancer illusion. So sa unang tingin mo is parang nagsispin siya sa counterclockwise. Pero in reality, in other interpretation po, yung ibang tao nakikita na nagsispin siya sa counterclockwise. So depende siya sa brain mo. There are other people seeing it that the dancer is spinning clockwise. Meanwhile, other people can see it counterclockwise. The dress naman po na illusion is other people may see a blue or black, may iba pa nga white at gold. Pero ang illusion talaga dito is yung brain interpretation is nagdedepende po sa lighting perception. So as you can see, this really shows that our brain interpretation is very subjective. So, that Nigel, meron bang importance to? Well, ladies and gentlemen, meron po. So, the illusion help explain na reality is constructed by the brain, hindi lang basta raw data. Kapag may missing or ambiguous info, ang brain nagfi-fill in based on expectation at prior knowledge. And this is why psychologists study illusion to better understand the brain processing and its interpretation. So para hindi nyo po makalimutan ang pinag-usapan natin ngayong araw na ito is I have some key takeaways. So always remember that sensation detects stimuli. Meanwhile naman, ang perception is interpreting those stimuli. And always remember then that the brain creates our experience of reality. So yun lamang po, Reapers, ang video natin ngayong araw nito is I hope you learn a lot when it comes to sensation and perception. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page and my TikTok too. At i-share nyo na to sa mga psychology friends nyo or yung mga friends nyo na mahilig sa mga illusion, no? So yun lamang po, mabuhay ang psikolohiya. RIP!
If you enjoyed that video, consider yourself subscribing. Subscribe. Follow our FB page and TikTok too. Subscribe.
Yes.
Subscribe.